You see the final car on the road, smooth, powerful, and perfectly built. But what you don't see is the massive production system behind it. Inside BMW's factory, every second counts, every movement is planned, and every part follows a precise path. This is the full production process of how BMW cars are made from raw materials to finished vehicles. The production begins in the press shop, where raw metal sheets are turned into car body parts. Huge coils of steel and aluminum are fed into stamping machines that apply thousands of tons of pressure. In seconds, flat sheets are transformed into doors, roofs, side panels, and hoods. Each piece is shaped with extreme accuracy so it fits perfectly later in the process. These machines run continuously, producing hundreds of parts every hour to keep up with demand. Once the panels are formed, they move to the body shop. This is one of the most automated parts of the entire production line. Hundreds of robotic arms take over, welding the metal parts together. Sparks fly everywhere as robots connect panels with perfect precision. These machines don't just weld randomly. Every movement is pre-programmed, ensuring that each joint is identical across every car produced. At this stage, the car structure starts to take shape. The floor, side frames, roof, and other components are joined together to create what is known as the body in white. This is the raw shell of the car before painting or interior installation. The entire process is incredibly fast, yet extremely precise. A single body can be completed in just a few hours. What makes BMW's production unique is its flexibility. Multiple models are produced on the same line. That means different car types move through the system one after another without slowing down production. The factory adjusts automatically depending on the model, making the process highly efficient. After the body is completed, it moves into the paint shop. This is one of the most controlled environments in the factory. Before painting begins, the body goes through several cleaning stages to remove dust, oil, and any impurities. Then it is dipped into a special anti-corrosion bath that protects the metal for years. Next comes the painting process itself. Robots spray multiple layers of paint evenly across the surface. Each layer is applied with precision to ensure a smooth finish. Between layers, the car passes through drying ovens where the paint is hardened. This process not only gives the car its color, but also adds durability and protection. The paint shop is designed for efficiency and sustainability. Advanced systems recycle excess paint and reduce emissions. Even the airflow inside the facility is carefully controlled to prevent contamination. The result is a flawless finish on every car that leaves this stage. Once painting is complete, the car moves to the assembly line. This is where thousands of individual components come together. Unlike the robotic heavy body shop, this stage combines machines with skilled workers. The first step in assembly is installing the wiring system. Miles of cables are carefully placed inside the car body. These wires connect everything from the headlights to the infotainment system. Precision is critical here because even a small mistake can affect multiple systems. Next, components like the dashboard, pedals, and internal structures are installed. Workers and machines work side by side, each handling specific tasks. Seats, insulation, and interior panels are added step by step. Every station on the line has a fixed time to complete its task before the car moves forward. One of the most important steps in the production process is the marriage stage. This is where the body of the car is joined with the drivetrain. The engine, transmission, and suspension are assembled separately and then brought together with the car body. In a synchronized movement, the two parts are connected in seconds. This step transforms the car from a shell into a functioning machine. After the drivetrain is installed, the car continues down the line for final assembly. Wheels are attached, Fluids like oil and coolant are added, and the battery is installed. At this point, the car is almost complete. BMW uses a highly efficient logistics system to support production. Parts arrive exactly when needed, a method known as just-in-time production. This reduces storage space and keeps the workflow smooth. Every component is tracked digitally, ensuring that the correct part reaches the correct car at the right time. Customization is also handled during production. Each car is built according to specific configurations. One vehicle may have a luxury interior, while the next may be a performance version. The production system adjusts instantly, allowing different versions to be built on the same line without delays. After assembly is complete, the car enters the quality control phase. This is where every detail is checked before the vehicle is approved. First, automated systems scan the car using cameras and sensors. These systems detect even the smallest defects, such as paint imperfections or alignment issues. Then, trained inspectors examine the car manually to ensure everything meets BMW standards. Next comes functional testing. The car is powered on for the first time. All systems are tested, including electronics, lighting, engine performance, and safety features. Every button, switch, and system is checked to make sure it works perfectly. The car then goes through a rolling road test. This simulates real driving conditions while the car remains stationary. The engine, brakes, and transmission are tested under load to ensure proper performance. Another critical step is the water test. The car is sprayed with high-pressure water to check for leaks. This ensures that the vehicle remains sealed in all weather conditions. BMW also integrates advanced technology into its production process. Artificial intelligence is used to improve quality control and detect defects faster. Collaborative robots assist workers in handling complex tasks, increasing efficiency while maintaining safety. Electric vehicle production is also part of the system. BMW's factories are designed to handle both traditional engines and electric powertrains. Battery systems are assembled with high precision, as they require strict safety standards. Sustainability plays a major role in BMW production. Many factories use renewable energy sources to power operations. Materials are recycled wherever possible, and waste is minimized throughout the process. The goal is to produce cars efficiently while reducing environmental impact. What stands out most is the speed and coordination of the entire production line. Hundreds of cars can be produced in a single day, yet each one meets strict quality standards. Every step is timed perfectly, ensuring continuous flow without delays. From raw metal sheets in the press shop to a fully assembled vehicle ready for delivery, the BMW production process is a perfect example of modern manufacturing. It combines automation, precision, and human expertise to create high-quality vehicles at scale. If you want to see more production processes of how machines, cars, and products are made step by step, make sure to subscribe now and don't miss the next video.